Today we have Hunkydory's Christmas Crafty crates, and let me show you what they look like, just like this. So they fold flat and then they pop up like this, and everything is die cut to make it super, super easy. And Teresa has done a whole bunch of projects, so please come play with us. Okay, well, this is the kit, and it even has envelopes, so I just want to assure you that those are included, and there are complete instructions right here, so we're going to follow those. And you can see the 6 different crates that you can make right down here. Teresa has made 4 of them, and so let me just show you step by step how you do that. So you've already seen the end result. We're going to get in closer just so that you can really get a close view. As I said, it's going to fold flat. It can fold flat either way. And it does have these crosshatch pieces in the center. And everything is foiled, as I think you can see. And you can add embellishments to it. You can see the snowflake dazzles that Teresa has added. And the snowman has all kinds of goodies. So you're going to start with this piece, and this you're just going to pop everything out. You will need the 1/4 inch extra sticky tape because that's going to hold our pieces together. So I've already popped these out, as you can see. And right now I'm not going to use these pieces or this piece. And you can see, I think, where the extra sticky tape is. It's on the tabs that are going to be folded back. And I think a bone folder is going to be another thing that's going to come in handy. So you're going to add the extra sticky tape. You're also going to fold these back. And again, the bone folder is going to just really make those folds super crisp, and that's going to be helpful. And you also are going to have another fold that you're going to want to make nice and firm. And just the 2 on each of these pieces. And then these pieces are going to be those cross pieces that are going to hold our die cut embellishments. So again, same thing on each of them. And notice that the extra sticky tape was put on the top part. Okay, so there we go. Now, to attach these, you're simply going to remove the liner, and let me do that. And sometimes, especially on camera, that doesn't want to come off, and it's just really nice when it does that. Of course, it doesn't help that I folded that over, does it? Okay, so pull it off, and now there is this little opening right here, so that's going to be at the top, and we're going to have the extra sticky go on the inside of the other piece, and that way we won't have something that's kind of showing. So that goes right at the end, like so. And then we do the same thing on this piece to get the liner off. It's going to play the same game, isn't it? Okay, well, there you go. That's going to go right across. And then you've got your crate already built, okay? Then these pieces, what I like to do, and I'm going to open this up just to show you, is I like to take these and have them go on either side of that opening that I just showed you. So let me pull these off and show you what I mean by that. And this process is exactly the same for both. So you want these cross pieces to be at the top. And again, the top is where that opening is. So I like to put one on the back side. So just like so. Okay, on their side. And then again on this side. And you can see how that's going to work. And then again, when that is attached, it's going to be like that, straight across. And then have the other one on the other side, still keeping it at the top on both sides. And then you've got your piece that it's going to have lots of room to put your pieces attaching. So let me set this aside and again bring in Teresa's finished piece so you can see how that's working. Now, where all of those embellishments are, you're going to get these pieces. And what I think was really nice is one side is foiled, the other side is also printed. And I thought that was really nice, just an extra step that Hunkydory did. You're going to get 2 sets of embellishments on each of the sheets. This is called Christmas Snuggles and Frosted Florals right at the bottom. So you can see that they're going to go on 2 separate pieces of the crates. Snowy Snuggles is obviously the one that we're working on. So Teresa has added, you can see the snowman. She did not do the sweater. She did do the scarf. She did the little hat. She did the sleigh. And you can see the multiple. So you are going to have some pieces left if you elect to do that. She didn't put the Cozy Christmas, but she could have done that on the back had she wanted to. She did elect to take the blank one, and she added some dazzles to that. And these were the dazzles that are out of the Christmas greetings, because the Christmas greetings, let me lay that down so you can see it. The Christmas greetings has the tiny Christmas words and phrases in black and gold and different colors, as well as the script dazzle. So it's kind of a one package for all your Christmas greeting needs. And you can see Snowy Days is one of them. And then she also added the snowflakes, and the snowflakes come in a package of 10 sheets, snowflakes in all colors, lots of different sizes. And so she has added them there. And let's see, also on the snowman, as you can see right there, I think you can see down at the bottom onto the sleigh in the back. And so just adding some touches of that snow all over. So you can see this is just a really easy way to create this very fun stand-up card. Okay, so you get the process is exactly the same for every single one of them. Okay, and let's see. She did add the tag, and the tag was on the crate. So you can see right here, and the sending Christmas cuddles, that's a cute phrase. She did add a little bit of the blue ribbon, and so that everything coordinates nicely. So that is our first of our crates. There are 12 that you can make out of the kit, so that's nice. Let's go to our next one. And this is full of all sorts of treats. My, look at that. Very fun. Okay, let me show you what this is. Now this is going to be out of the Christmas hamper, okay? And you're going to take it out of the hamper. This is the base, so you can see this, and this has got lots of goodies in it. And let me see. So you can see that it's got the turkey, it's got some wine, it's got gingerbread, house gingerbread cookies, it's got some pastry. My goodness, so just lots of things, some cheese, all of that. Now to do some decorating with it, Teresa has used the brand new, these are the Trees and Stars Dazzle borders, and she elected to use the red stars, and you can see them right around the top of that crate. Now she used the red stars. I think you also could have used the gold stars going right around there. Could have gone nicely with the cheese and the gold foiling, but she elected to use that. And then the Noel she has used, that is out of the Christmas greetings that we talked about with the first card. So you've got lots of options with the same embellishments. So that's going to work nicely. Again, the exact same construction, and it's going to do the same thing. It's going to fold flat. So that's 2 options. Okay. Now let's see what we have with our third option. And our third option is this. Now, Teresa's added some different things with this, and I love the fact that she's done that because this is the festive toy box. So you can see what that looks like. But let me also show you some of the other embellishments. So this is out of the, so you can see all of the toys that you can choose. And there's one tree, but let me show you this. There are multiple trees in this one. You can see back 2 shades of trees in the back. So what she did is she used the Christmas Aglow solid cardstock, so you can see reds and greens all in there. And she used the brand new Cozy Christmas cutting die. You can see that tree. And she die cut 2 of them. And you can see them in the back there. There you go, 2 different greens. And knowing that it's Teresa, she did some edging with them with the khaki ink pad and the blending brush just to give them some detail. And I think they do a nice job of backing up this foiled tree. And so she's added those, and she put one on the back crate and then one on the middle crate. Now, in this case, do you remember that front package that I showed you? It had 4 of these. Well, Teresa used all 4 of them on this crate. And you can see how she's used it. So she's got some things attached to the crate itself, front and back, and then she's used things attached to all four of them. So there you go. You've got that option. So you can just use 2 of them, or you can use all 4. So it's nice to see the progression of what you can do. So there you go. You can put things on the outside with foam tape, and you can do them with foam tape on the inside too. But she's done them on the outside with foam tape. On the inside, she's pretty much just used the extra sticky tape. I like the fact that the foiled one is the tallest, and the other 2, she's let them kind of go down lower. But I think it's nice that that kind of creates almost a forest in the background. So good job, Teresa, as always. Now I've got one more. So what else is she gonna do? Okay, well, let's take this one. And this is, wow, this is really pretty. In fact, there's several things going on in this one. Now, this crate is also using, well, you can see that it's the crate that's got all of the flowers in it. It's got the poinsettias. It's got the birds, but it's got more things. Not only that, I'm saying, can we get an even closer? Because I'm seeing some gold in the flower, especially in the green leaves. Okay, now that is the bronze gold spray mist. This is a treasure. So let me show you what Teresa's done. She has taken the Sparkling Season solid cardstock and the Sparkling Season cutting dies. And she's used the poinsettia and the holly and the berries. And she has die cut them out of the solid cardstock, as you can see, but she also sprayed them with the mist. So if you want to just see what that looks like, I've got some spare cardstock right here, and I thought I would just mist it for you. So I'm going to shake this up. You can hear that kind of bottle, that kind of thing in there. And I'm just going to spray. Now, you do need to let it dry, but you can see the gold. Isn't that gorgeous? How pretty. Now you want to, well, you could either spray it first and then die cut it, or die cut it and spray it, but isn't that gorgeous? Yes. Absolutely beautiful. I'm so happy we finally got it in. And Teresa has sprayed it on these and die cut them. And don't they go nicely with the foil die cuts that Hunkydory provided? Speaking of which, Hunkydory also provided these adhesive pearls that Teresa also used. So you can use the crates as a nice starting point to add to them. You can do them exactly as they come, and you can just use 2 of the cross pieces, as Teresa's done here. You can do 4. You can add more cutting dies. You can, or you can just use them as they come, but you can use more of the products you have too. So it's just really nice. Now, we've shown you 4 of these 6 that you can use. And so that's going to get you just started, but you're going to end up making 12 using this kit. Do remember to get the 1/4 inch extra sticky tape and grab your bone folder while you're at it. But the Christmas Crafty Crates is just a very fun thing to have. And if you have children or grandchildren, I think they're going to love making them with you. So thank you, Teresa, for creating these for us and for sharing them. And be sure to watch our Money Saver. It's on the right side of your screen. If you want to look at the instructions, they're down below. Just click on the card and you'll see the printed instructions. You can print them out if you like to. If you're watching us on YouTube, be sure to like us. We hope you'll comment. What do you think of these? I think they're very fun. Hunkydory has done these crates for other occasions, birthdays and so forth. This is the first time I've seen them from Christmas, so this is very fun to see. And I think their selection is just excellent. And be sure to like us. We hope you'll subscribe. And head on over to Paper Wishes. Take advantage of the Money Saver. And we want to thank you for joining us, and always want to thank you for being part of our Paper Wishes family. We'll see you next time.